Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creation. Good morning everybody. It is time to draw my semi-finalist for Christmas and July Fairies 21. I will put my email address below. You will have until Saturday morning, July 17th, 2021 to get back to me. If you haven't gotten back to me by that time, that will give me time to draw another semi-finalist. Once you email me, I am going to ask you to edit your comment. So that way I know the true person emailing me is really my true semi-finalist. It's sad that we have to do that, but you know, we want the right person, or at least I want the right person who wins to be the actual right person that's, you know, contacting me. So here we go. So at that time, what I'll do once you edit your comment, and I verify that you edit it the way I told you to, you know, your little phrase that I give you. At that point, I will then give you my fairy number. So that way when you watch Dana draw the finalist, you will know if you won based on my number. So here we go. I hope that made sense. I have the YouTube random comment picker already in, and the URL is in. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's got a glare, but we are now going to get the YouTube comments. And we have 533 unique comments. Actually, I need to duplicate users. Let's do that again. So that way, oh, we still have 533. So everybody only commented once. That's a good thing, right? All right, here we go. And the winner is Ellen Brahman. Happy Christmas to all in July. Good luck to all. Ellen Broman, you are my semi-finalist. So if you could please email me below. Well, not email me below, but get my email address below. And email me, and I will give you the secret phrase to edit your comment. Thank you everybody for participating again this year. This was so much fun. Ellen, you've got until the morning of July 17th to get in touch with me. Thank you guys, and thank you everyone who participated, and good luck to those that participated on other channels for chance of winning their semi-finalist drawing. Bye. Thanks for joining us on the Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.